Welcome to One Chemistry. This is Organic Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here you have two alkyne. You are reacting with butyl lithium, epoxide and H plus acidic conditions. You should find what will be the final product. Here you have alkyne. You are using the very strong base. Strong base abstract all possible protons. Here 3 protons removed. You have 3 anion. 3 can act as a nucleophile. But the catch here is which one is better. So it is called chemoselectivity. You can call it as regioselectivity also. But more properly chemoselectivity. If you look at the electron density, sp carbon is more electronegative than sp3 because of more s character. So sp carbon can pull the electron, don't allow to donate. So poor donation of electron, poor nucleophile. So sp3 carbon is the better nucleophile. So sp3 carbon attacks, ring opens, you have alcohol there. The concept you outline here is electron density define the nucleophilicity. More electron dense carbon, more willing to donate, better will be the nucleophile. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion or feedback, comment below.